Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will take a deep dive into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 7, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 6.13. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 10.5% since we first recommended Microsoft as a buy candidate 22 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.48% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong short-term upward trend and is now showing an even stronger rate of increase. In case of any pullback, there is support at the previous trend's peak of $412.93, which could provide a second opportunity to capitalize on the stock's momentum. According to fan theory, $437.25 could be the next potential resistance level, which may not be surpassed in the first attempt. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 10.26% change expected over the next 3 months. This implies a potential return ranging from 3.48% to 9.96%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 40.76% change over the next year, with a potential return between 21.68% and 46.07%. This indicates a price range of $503.84 to $604.82 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for Microsoft brings exciting news. Microsoft stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. Let's dive into the details. On the last trading day, Wednesday, February 7, 2024, the Microsoft stock price rose by 2.11%, going from $405.49 to $414.05. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.69%, reaching a low of $407.40 and a high of $414.30. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has been oscillating, resulting in a gain of 2.85%. Additionally, the trading volume increased alongside the price, signaling a positive technical sign. A staggering 4 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 22 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9.21 billion. Now, let's take a look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price recorded during this period was $415.31, while the lowest price was $245.61. Currently, the stock price is 0.3% below the 52-week high, standing at $1.26 lower than $415.31. It's worth noting that $415.31 also represents the all-time high for this stock. Today, we're going to talk about analyst ratings for Microsoft Corporation, ticker symbol Microsoft. Let's start with the most recent report. On Wednesday, February 7, 2024, Oppenheimer upgraded their grade for Microsoft to overweight. This is a positive action that indicates a bullish outlook for the stock. Moving on to the report from Wednesday, January 31, 2024, BMO Capital gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. This suggests that the stock is expected to perform well, but with some caution. Also on January 31, 2024, RBC Capital gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. This aligns with BMO Capital's view and indicates a positive outlook for the company. William Blair, another reputable firm, also gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action on January 31, 2024. This further supports the positive sentiment surrounding the stock. Lastly, Barclays gave Microsoft an overweight grade with a hold action on the same day, January 31, 2024. This indicates that Barclays believes the stock has potential for above-average returns, but with some reservations. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a general rating of strong buy. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio both as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a rating of strong buy. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Microsoft. Let's dive in. The Microsoft stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be some support from the lines at $406.62 and $388.10. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, and so far the stock has risen by 13.15%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a positive technical signal. However, it's important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which may have some influence on the near short-term development. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's essential to consider this information while making investment decisions. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 37 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 70 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 67 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft stock. When it comes to support levels, Microsoft has some key levels to watch. Just below today's level, there is accumulated volume support at $377.44 and $370.73. It's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the current support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level, which in this case is at $377.44. If that level is broken, the next support levels to watch are at $370.73 and $369.67. Microsoft is typically traded at a good volume and experiences minor daily changes, which means the risk is considered to be low. In the last day, the stock had a price movement of $6.90, 1.69%, between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.7%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's first cover some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings, providing valuable insights into its valuation. Microsoft's PE ratio falls within a relatively normal range, which is commonly observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Microsoft's Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings stand at $2.80. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they have the potential to significantly impact stock prices. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Microsoft. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant buildup of volume above. This suggests that the stock has the potential to surge upwards rapidly under the right circumstances. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $377.44. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Microsoft has received a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. Smith Bradford L., a recent insider, has executed 5 trades involving a total of 48,003 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 4.638. In these trades, insiders bought a total of 336,402 shares and sold 288,437 shares. We recommend setting the stop loss at $398.81, which represents a decrease of 3.68%. This particular stock experiences minimal daily fluctuations, resulting in lower risk for investors. Additionally, a buy signal was detected from a pivot bottom that occurred 36 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Microsoft shows positive signals and has recently broken a strong upward trend. With the stock in great technical shape, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. Our analysis has upgraded this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Thursday, February 8th, we expect Microsoft to open lower by $2.13, starting the trading day at $411.92. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Drop a comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. What's your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.